Hi guys, so this is Honda Accord 2014 or 2015, and the horn is not working, so they have do some wire here so you can use the horn here, but that's not the correct way. And I think the spring, the clock spring has a fault, so we need to replace the clock spring for the horn to work. So as you can see, the horn is not working, so I'll show you how to replace the clock spring. So first there is a Phillips star here, so we need to get a Phillips star to lose this brace. So this is the tool we are going to use. Another one, this side, other side. So yeah, remove all the two of the screws. So you need to remove the airbag. To remove the airbag socket, you need to, this is the locker, the white locker, so you need to grab it like this, as you can see. Second, there is a screw here that we need to remove. Need to remove this screw. There's another screw here, so we need to remove this one too. Another screw here too. I need to remove this. Because you need the clock spring, you need to replace this. We need to remove the steering, the whole steering, we need to remove it. So I have to find a Allen key to remove this. This is the Allen key we are going to use to remove the steering. So let's remove this socket. So after striking the bolt, you don't need to remove all the bolt. You need to leave it there a little bit like this. So you need to hit the steering like this. Then shake it like this. Because now the steering is fast removing. So now you can go ahead and remove the bolt. And this is what we are going to replace for the horn to work. Yes, it has a locker at the top like this, so you need to grab it like this, and the side too, like this. This is the clock ring, and this is the angle sensor. So you can see this is the angle sensor, so you need to remove this and replace it with the new clock spring. So as you can see, that's how you can remove the clock spring and replace. So I'll show you how to replace the new one too. And this is the new part we are going to replace. This is the new one.
Yeah.
Trying to grab because good.